Guys, today Rosie is going to decide what fidgets we trade. Rosie can't trade fidgets. No, I made a 2-board. Is that the 2-board?
Yeah.
Rosie, you ready to decide what fidgets we trade? Ready, puppy? Puppy. I don't think she's excited, but she's still gonna do it. So, okay, we got a few fidgets. Okay, Ava's gonna grab the rest of our fidgets. We can't leave Rosie alone because then she cries. And then once we pull, wait, Rosie, wait. Here, come, Rosie. Looks like she's wearing a Santa hat. That's funny. So we don't know what Rosie's gonna decide, but how we're gonna play this, like, Rosie can't talk and say, like, trade that puppet, trade that slimy sand. We're gonna put 2 out, and whatever one she goes to is the one we have to trade. And she's gonna pick, accept, decline, or add. Oh, Pumpkin the dog? Oh yeah, that's Hyper.
Now this I'm Rosie the dog.
Ready, puppy? Ready, puppy?
Yes, I'm so ready every time.
Ava, who does the voice for her. Okay, grab Rosie. And let's head to the trading area. Now.
Ow!
Ah, Rosie!
Ow! Ow! Her paws hurt mine. She has nails.
Oh, I'm sorry, Llama Squad. We forgot about you guys. Okay.
Rosie's gonna be
So, we have to keep the fidgets up there.
Rosie's
And we
safe.
cannot trade the blue slime sand because it's open. She might eat it. So, I'm going to grab a fidget.
I'm gonna put it away.
So, Ava, pick 2 fidgets. Me and Rosie are going to pick 2. Well, actually, okay. I'm definitely going to pick this Dimple. Oh, actually, yeah, Squishy's first. I'm going to go with this Cupcake and this Pegasus. Okay. Rosie, you can go down. Stay there, though.
Stay. I got my
And, let's get trading. Okay, Ava, I'm going to put your fidgets out. Which fidget?
Oh, the Hershey.
The Hershey Kiss. So put the Num Nom back, and then my turn. Rosie, which Squishy?
Oh,
The Pegasus. So
a Hershey
now
Kiss and a
we're gonna see which one she picks. Which one, Rosie? Accept. So it looks like we have to accept this trade. So let's put these items in.
I have a Hershey Kiss.
I would normally say add, but since Rosie picked, I have to accept. We got our first fidget from Rosie. Put our fidgets in a pile. Rosie baby. Rosie baby. Rosie baby.
Next up
Is blue fidgets. Oh, Rosie, don't run away. Okay, there.
I did this play on this puppet.
I'm gonna get this
Oh, Rosie, go away.
ASMR stick
Go away.
and this poppet.
Go away.
Okay.
Can you hold Rosie?
Okay. So I'm playing with this poppet.
Okay, Rosie, which one are you gonna go for?
Let's see, what is Rosie going to pick?
Oh, the
The
Play-Doh!
Play-Doh. Okay.
Oh.
And what is Rosie going to pick? The ASMR tube. She really wants that. Oh my. Oh, do you like it? You like it? It rolls. Yes. Guys, Rosie likes fidgets.
Okay, let's
Okay.
see what are we gonna do.
What are we gonna do, Rosie? No, Rosie.
No.
Pick. Pick one. What did she pick? Oh.
More.
She picked add.
Oh. Add.
Okay, we have to find a fidget. I'm gonna let Rosie play with that while I find another fidget. Oh, sorry, Rosie. 2 balloons. Oh, sorry, 2 more fidgets. Wait, what did she pick for you to trade? The Play-Doh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in this squishy, and I'm also gonna do the pop it again. And she really likes that ASMR too. Oh, it's okay. We don't want it. Okay, let's see what Rosie's gonna pick.
Oh, the puppet!
Rosie picked the pop it. My turn. Rosie, pick one. Two. Which one? Gotta lick it. Which one? A pop it. Okay, Rosie, which one? Which one? Two. Which one? Decline. I'm actually happy because I wanted to decline this trade. I'm gonna let Rosie play with the ASMR too because she really likes it. So here you go, Rosie. Okay, we're not gonna do the accept decline ad anymore. Where Rosie's gonna next the actual fidget bucket. Yeah, Rosie's actually rolling that around. Ooh.
What puppet in that?
And I'm gonna pick this
Butterfly.
butterfly dimple and a mini Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's see. Which one, Rosie? No, not my fidgets. Which one? Which one? No, Rosie. Look. Which one? Which one? No, not my fidgets. Eva's fidgets. Rosie. Right here. Come on. Why isn't she picking fidgets? Okay, Rosie, which fidget?
Oh, the cactus.
The cactus! I'm actually happy she picked that because I love the cactus puppet. Okay, Rosie! Rosie! Which one? Rosie, wrong way! Look, fidgets! Which fidget? Oh! Did she pick the Rubik's Cube? Oh, wait, the butterfly dimple. Okay, so no Rubik's Cube. She's picked the butterfly dimple. Gosh, she really likes it. Here, you want your fidget? Go play with your fidget. Okay, let's put these fidgets in. And we get to pick now if we accept or decline our ad. So, butterfly dimple. I'm going to tell you to add. Right, Rosie? She needs to add. I got little Rosie. So cutie. Cutie. Okay, Ava. Oh, I'm going to accept this trade. Accept. I got my favorite puppet. Oh. This is such a good puppet. And I'm so sorry that this video is short, but that is it for Rosie decides what fidgets we trade. Rosie, come. Come for the outro. Rosie. Oh my god. You crazy puppy. Hope you guys liked today's video. Bye, Mama Squad.